When doing makeup, it obviously looks so pretty, but the moment I put it on my face, why does it look so stiff? Have you ever worried about this? Eye makeup guide by face shape, following the inverted triangle episode. Today is the second in the series. We've brought you the square face edition. If your angular face is a complex for you, watch till the end and you'll change your mind. Square faces have forehead, cheekbone, and jaw widths that are overall similar. The jawline is especially prominent, often giving a sophisticated and elegant impression. Let's take a look at some representative celebrities. First, actress Yoon Yumi and Kim Tae-ri from Little Forest. Yoon Chae-in also has a classic square face with just one soft makeup look. You can see how the vibe completely changes, right? Han Hyo-ju can't be left out either. But if a square face gets the makeup wrong, the angular impression can get even stronger. So today's key keyword is soft curves. Curves over straight lines, soften rather than emphasize. If you keep this in mind and follow along, today's video will be much more helpful. The first step is eyebrows. The perfect brow for a square face is a soft arched brow with a gentle curve. If you look at Chae-in's photo shoot, the subtle brow arch that's alive. With those soft arched brows, it adds dimension to the face while also creating a warm, gentle impression. Specifically, here's how to draw it. Start right above the inner corner of the eye. Use a slightly lighter tone for the brow head and blend it in naturally. At the midpoint, gently raise the curve and taper it thinner toward the tail. A gently flowing curve is really important. And in Han Hyo-ju's makeup too, you can clearly see the soft arch, right? Next is about brow thickness. The guideline is not exceeding your pupil size. Roughly 2 to 3 millimeters is ideal, since everyone's eye size differs. Look in the mirror to find the right thickness for yourself. That's the best approach. Before drawing, there's something you must do. Quickly brush your brow hairs into place. Finish with clear mascara to set the brow hairs and they'll last all day. The second step is eyeliner. Let me first share the key to eyeliner for square faces. Draw a soft round curve at the tail and finish it naturally. If you look at Kim Tae-ri's makeup photos, that rounded eye tail look is clearly visible, and the line at the center of the eye, draw it slightly thicker. This makes your eyes look rounder, contrasting with the angular face lines, making the whole face look much softer. The ideal length is about 2 to 3 millimeters from the outer corner. Finish inside the triangle zone. The third step is eyeshadow. The first step is to apply all over the eye area, a base color, like coral beige or peach cream. Choose a cozy, warm tone. If you apply it in a circular motion, it naturally creates curves on angular eyelids. Recommended product, Dusty Pink Blossom Palette. The number 30 Cherry Blossom shade is warm and bright, perfect for square faces. Next, it's time to add the point color. From the center toward the outer corner, add a shade one tone deeper. What's especially important for square faces is adding a touch more color to the center of the eye. When volume builds at the center, it creates the effect of rounder looking eyes, which counterbalances the angular look. Is Spoyer Eye Core Palette. Number 1 Posh Coral is also recommended. It's perfect for softening square face angles. Finally, finish with a shimmer point. Use a pearl shadow or highlighter on the inner corner and center of the lid, lightly pat it on. To cool for School Frottage number 16 Milky Rose, with its subtle pink pearl for square faces. It's perfect for adding a soft glow. The fourth and final step, mascara. The key to mascara for square faces is a natural C-curve curl. When clamping your lashes with a curler, don't crimp at a sharp angle. Create a gentle C-shaped curve. There's a special point just for square faces here. Especially emphasize the lashes at the center of the eye. If you lift the center a bit longer, it creates the effect of rounder looking eyes. Clio Kill Lash Superproof Mascara, number 10 Bold Curl for square faces, is the perfect product. Lower lashes can't be left out either. For lower lashes, just lightly emphasize them. Light is the key. Once mascara is complete, square face eye makeup, all clear. The keyword running through today's entire video is softening angles with curves. First, for eyebrows, soft arched brows were the answer. Second, for eyeliner, rounding the eye tail. Third, for eyeshadow, emphasizing the center for a rounder look was the key. Fourth, for mascara, C-curve curling and center lash emphasis. Be sure to try what you learned today. Among today's makeup tips, which one helped you the most? I really appreciate it if you let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.